Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are just going to do episode 4 of Injustice 3 updates. So I think that you guys are loving this series, so I'm just going to continue it. And so that is the fourth episode of this series. So today we have got like 4 updates, and yesterday I didn't upload a video of Injustice 3 updates because there was not many updates yesterday, but we have got some like 4 updates today, and they all are pretty good. And so guys, let's get started. And so the first update we have gotten is from Injustice 3, of course, and that is if you know that developers had finally confirmed that they have been testing Injustice 3 out for quite a long time, and they have fixed all the bugs they have noticed for now. And so it means that it is almost they're confident to release Injustice 3 after some days, but that is very good news for us. And so guys, and the next update is from Injustice 1, surprisingly. So the update we have gotten is from when when Suicide Squad 2 will be released, there is a chance we will be getting some new characters of Suicide Squad in Injustice 1, and I think that will be just awesome because Injustice 1 needs more more villain characters, and that's just going to be awesome. So that's the update. And the next update is from Injustice 2, and that update is that the developers of Injustice 2 and thinking to still work on Injustice 2 after Injustice 3 get released. Not like when Injustice 2 was released, the developers of Injustice 1 shifted to Injustice 2, and some of them even stopped working and for Injustice 1. So but the developers of Injustice 2 will be still working for it, and that is really good news because I still playing Injustice 2. I played very less, but still I like the game and it's very good. And the next update, that is, if you know, when YouTubers are like when Injustice was going to release, the developers gave a contract to the YouTubers that they were going to give the early access of Injustice 2 to, and this time it has happened the same. According to some rumors, some people are saying that the YouTubers have been provided the contract, and in that contract they have written that they should at least upload one video of related to Injustice 3, and they will and they should not share any links related to it, as you know, because they will be working as in my old videos, as I said, it would take at least a month to get launched and we will be able to play it. And so guys, and the third and the final update we have gotten is also from Injustice 3 mobile, and that is very good. And that is that the developers of Injustice 3 mobile mobile have finished development, and they right now are testing the game and so seeing there that is there any bugs, or I think that there is a possibility that Injustice 3 and Injustice 3 mobile can be get launched together, and that would just be crazy good because I want to play Injustice. I want to get my hands on Injustice 3 as quickly as possible because Injustice 1 mobile is one of my favorite games, and I'm really excited for Injustice 3. I was also excited for Injustice 2, but Injustice 3 is a like next level hype because, as you know, I started playing Injustice 1 like a few months ago. Again, I left it for some time, and as I got the news of Injustice 3, I was very happy and started researching, and like that is just great, guys. So guys, that's going to be it for the video. I know this video is short, it's like 4 minutes long, and I know this is probably going to be my shortest video on my channel. But guys, I think that's just going to be it for the video. And guys, I'm also thinking to upload Injustice 2 on my channel because I still, in my old videos, as I have said, that I'm not pretty good at Injustice 2, but I still know some basics. But Injustice 1 is my profession, but still I'm thinking to upload Injustice 2 videos. And if you want it, then please like this video and share it with your friends, as my old videos have gotten some good views. As my most popular video in my channel, if you go and see, it is my Injustice 3 variants. Injustice 3 is the title kind of this. I'm not pretty sure about that, but that is my most viewed video on my channel. That's very good. And so guys, I think that's going to be video. I hope you like the updates of today. And guys, so that's going to be it. And I'm also thinking to do what do you say pack opening on my channel. And I want to also tell you a thing that Red Sun Pack 2 is back. You can, if you want, you can buy it because Red Sun characters are pretty rare nowadays, and that's pretty good value in my opinion. You are getting a Red Sun character for $25. So yeah, and I am also saving up my what do you say Neth Metal for the Neth Metal Ultimate Pack, and that's just as I said that there are a lot of chances that I will get a Neth Metal, and I'm really excited about that. It is like 50% chance I will get a Neth Metal, and this 40% chance that I will get a gold character. And yeah, if I get a gold character from this, I will be so sad. And as I said, and the next challenge will be of Reverse Jessica Crush, which I already have, but I will still do the challenge because I want to tear it up, because this is one of my strongest characters. And yeah, and I am also thinking to make a Suicide Squad team, as I am having two characters. One of them is Suicide Squad, the Joker Unhinged, and yesterday because of the challenge I got Suicide Squad Red Shot. So yeah, I will be looking out for the third Suicide Squad character. And so yeah guys, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you liked it, and goodbye and have a good day.